Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just spraying some water all over my fro. I moisturized my hair like a few nights ago, so it was still pretty moist, because normally I'll put like a leave-in conditioner or some oil on my hair before applying gel. And now I'm just picking out my fro. And so we're going to be using some Eco Styler gel. You can use whatever gel that you want. I'm almost to the end of this gel and I'm happy about it. I was trying to use up all my gels. So I'm just going to apply the gel all over my head. Y'all know how I do. And I am applying a really generous amount, guys. You have to apply a lot of gel if you want a good hold. And once I get enough gel on my hair, I'm just going to start brushing my head upward. And I brush my hair pretty much like to the tippy top of my head. And you guys will see why later. So that's what I'm doing, and just making sure the back is super slick and smooth how I like it, so nothing falls down. To seal it all in, I'm going to use some Got To Be Glue gel, the black one, and this is going to seal my hair in and make it really stay in place and super sleek. Just don't apply it on your edges. I'm just applying it around my hair, but not on my edges, because we're going to be laying our edges later on in the video. So I'm just making sure my hair is at the very tippy top, y'all. Alright, and I'm just going to apply both of my scarves onto my head. I get a lot of questions on where I get these scarves from, and I get them from Family Dollars, guys. So I like to apply two, because I'm going to be sleeping with my hair like this. Look at me dancing, acting a fool. But I'm going to be sleeping like this overnight, so I want to make sure that my scarves do not come off. So it is the next day and my hair is completely dry. SM Beauty sent over to me the second Touchdown Ash Tamer, and I wanted to share them with y'all. So they sent over the Shea Butter one, they sent over the coconut one, and they also sent over the black castor oil one. So I went ahead and used the Shea Butter one for this style. This Ash Tamer is antibacterial, and it claims that it can last for 48 hours. So of course I had to use it today on my baby hairs, and we're going to be testing it out, guys, to see if it really holds up. But I really do like it. Like, it really is bomb, y'all. Like, it feels really nice. It is a firm hold, but it isn't like too stiff to the point where you can't move your edges around. So yes, y'all, like, as y'all can see, I'm enjoying it, and it was really easy for me to lay down my edges. SM Beauty told me to let you guys know that you can find this at your local beauty supply store. So if you're interested, make sure you guys check there. So as you guys can see, my baby hairs are laid, okay? So I'm gonna take some Marley hair. I cut the Marley hair in half, and I'm gonna intertwine those two pieces of hair. I'm putting some of the Ash Tamer onto my little sideburns that I left out. As you guys could see at the beginning of the video, I left those pieces of hair out, and I am just going to make a box braid there. And this is Marley hair. You can use whatever hair you like. This is just the hair that I had on hand, so I went ahead and used it. I basically just intertwined the Marley hair with my hair and just started braiding it down. I do braid a little bit on the tighter side, so mine were a little tight. So make sure you guys don't do yours that tight, so you're not like snatching out your hair or anything. But if your hair is longer than mine, then you could just use your real hair, or you can just wear them with your little curly cues out. But I wanted to take it to, you know, the next step and go ahead and do the braids, because I love that look. So I'm just doing that to the other side of my head. Now that I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and trim up the braids a bit, and then I'm going to add these wooden golden beads onto them. I added 5 on each. And I'm pretty sure y'all know how to do this. You just put them on. Get to the last bead. I'm going to fold the braid over the bead and then attach a rubber band to it so that it holds into place, as you guys can see here. And I did that to the other side as well. If you have a little piece sticking out, just go ahead and clip it off and then push the beads down, and it will cover the rubber band. So moving on to the part that I'm sure you guys have been waiting on, we're going to use the Free Tress Equal Drawstring Pony. It's a coil up, and I got it in the color number 2. And you can wear it as a mohawk or a ponytail. and it has a drawstring, and it also has combs. So as you guys can see, I'm just going to lay that right across my head, and I'm going to use the comb at the front and the back to secure it in. If your hair is longer than mine, then I suggest you just cornrow your hair down the middle and then attach it that way, and it'll work just as well. So when I feel like it's secure, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of like push the combs in the middle, pull the drawstring just a teeny bit because you don't want it to be scrunched up because we're rocking a mohawk. And then I'm just going to push the drawstring underneath, and I'm just going to use some closed bobby pins to further secure it onto my head, y'all. And it was really sturdy. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. Just taking my fingers and fluffing it out to get it to how I want it to look, you know, pulling it down on my face a little bit. But you know, you can fluff yours out or you don't have to. It's all up to you. And then I'm just taking a little bit of Oil Sheen and spraying it on the sides of my head. And this is the finished look, y'all. I absolutely love this style. It is so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Love it. So this is like late at night, and I just wanted to show you guys my edges. My edges are still intact. So the second touchdown edge tamer, I am really impressed by it. I really like it. But I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.